So to log into iLearn Insights, there are two ways to do that. One way is you go to your unit and you will see a link called iLearn Insights. The other way would be to, I move this away from here. And other way would be to go to report.ilearn.mq.edu.au and you can log in with your OneID information. So once you sign in, then basically you need to set the date. The reason of setting the date is over here is very important, that to tell iLearn Insight that you want to produce a report from this start date to till this end date. For session 2, I have a defaulted date. So in case of if you want to change that, you can change it to whatever dates you want. So to change that, once you go to that your iLearn Insight report, there will be a card like this over here that you can click and you can change your date over here and you can update. At the same time, you can give access to iLearn Insights report through your tutor or marker if you need to from over here. Unit participation today, I won't go in details now, but we can get back to you anytime later. Now, once you are inside your unit dashboard, this is what you will see. First of all, you will see when the database was last updated. So this one is live now, so it should be the same time you log in. So it's the real-time data it is using. Then you can see the unit name that you are looking at the report. Remember, any link in iLearn Insight will take you basically to that link in iLearn. So if you click on this, it will take you to your unit in iLearn. Now this is unit engagement. I will come back to this later because I have a separate for this. So this is where you can see what is your unit engagement is. So it doesn't matter whether it belongs to less than 50. This is I just put just to give you an idea, but it doesn't matter whether this is good or not. It's up to you to decide. Then you will get to see the unit access of 14 days. As you can see, course and activity. This will give you an idea of whether students are accessing any resource or not in this unit. Next, you will see this one, which will give you an idea of top 5 hits within the last 7 days. So out of 1,162 students, 436 is accessing forum, which is 37%. So these are the top 5 one. On the right-hand side, you will be able to see all the open activities and when they are due. So this one is due for 2 days remaining. And clicking on this button, you can basically send them a reminder email. I will show this later. I have also opened this up because I always believe that I need to give some feedback to the academics who are sending emails. So from now on, you will be able to see if you send an email through this, for this reminder, so you can see how many emails you have sent and how many has submitted an assignment within 24 hours, 48 hours, and total. Next, you will be able to see your login summary. Total student you will be able to see over here. This is for students who hasn't logged in for last 7 days, 142, and this is never logged in. So total of this one, 142 plus this one probably something, which is equivalent to 154. And this is the list you will be able to see all the 154 students. And you can email it from them from here straight away to say that, look, we have been observed that you are not logging in. So other students are probably looking at these and these resources. And you will be able to see the observation of your email as well. Next on the forum, this forum, you will be able to see over here that forum posts within last 72 hours. Now, as I have live data, I think I can decrease it back to 24 or 48 hours. I will see what to do. Clicking on this will show you in detail of the forum, but over here you can see all the forums divided into 4 different groups. How many discussion has been posted, how many users, unique users contributed to the discussions, how many replies has been done, and how many unique users contributed to the reply. I will show this again later. For those whose academic integrity module is a compulsory, this is a very good place to see how many students haven't completed it, and you can email from here directly. and you can see the observations as well. As you can see over here, total email sent is 60, and these are the completion rate of the students who received that email. This is a unique dashboard which shows in a group by past, current, future, and no date activities. So as you can see, 1 has already passed, 2 yet to go, 1 in the future, and these has no due date. If you put your cursor on top of this, it will give you some information when it will open and when it will close. Clicking on the details, you can see details of this. For an example, for this one, for this assignment, how many submissions has been made, how many graded has been made, how many needs to be marked, and how many not submitted. Clicking all of this, you can see details of those students, and you can email them directly from there. Now, if you go to the participants list over here, as you can see all the participants. Then you can select all, or you can do some of the filtering and choose the students that you want to email. Click on the compose email. Then you can compose your email over here. Basically, you can please note these two. These are very important. There are some snippets that you can choose and you can paste directly over here. And there are some variables which I will show you. For an example, these are variables. This one unit code and the first part of the first name are the variables that you can choose as well. So if you, after composing, click on the preview. If you go to the preview, if it looks all good, just send the message. Now this particular slide shows all the variables, many of the variables. The reason I put it, that you can choose over here, and this is how it will look. For an example, if you choose full name, and this code will come, which actually means their full name, demo student. If you consider this one, which is not over here, or support services, this one. So support services will come. Basically, it will mail you all whole context. So what you can do, you can go to the compose email, choose any of these, go to the preview and see how it reacts to your preview. Now there are two things over here: personalized targeted email and personalized bulk email. And the difference between these two, in personalized targeted email, you can select the student which one to send, whom to send and whom not to send. Personalized bulk email, basically you can't select, it will send all the students into that group. For an example, if you choose email to all participants, if there are 1,000 participants, it will send email to 1,000 participants.